Hi everyone, I received this decibel meter as a gift. I'll start opening the case, show what it looks like, then go over all the features. It comes in this really nice protective case. You also get a screwdriver in the box, 3 AAA batteries, very detailed user manual, in the meter itself. Let's start by installing the batteries. Turn it on for the first time. It shows reading in decibels on top. It also shows the temperature in Celsius. You can switch to Fahrenheit. So this is pretty quiet room. This unit also has automatic power off. If you leave it on for 10 minutes, it will turn off. It has 2 measuring modes. Mode A, it measures sound as a human ear perceives it. Mode C measures full sound energy of the sound system. You can also change it from fast to slow, how responsive you want this device to be. You want to respond really fast to sounds or slower. It also has a hold button, but also if you hold and press that button for a couple seconds, it turns on backlight. So we're gonna measure this blower in mode C first. Switch to mode A. It's actually relatively loud outside right now because it's kind of windy. So you can hear what it does with all the wind out. If you need something like that, definitely should take a look at this one.